Dr. Kostakis again. Today's topic is Bruxism. What is Bruxism? Bruxism is a destructive pattern of grinding your teeth, sometimes clenching, and it's most common during night hours. Some people, even without realizing it, they'll brux during the day. If you're working at the computer, you have to be careful, watch yourself that you're not clenching and grinding because something is making you very anxious. Bruxism often will result in you wearing the enamel off of your teeth, possibly chipping corners of your front teeth, even splitting your back teeth because there's much force generated when you grind and clench your teeth. So bruxism can be very detrimental to the health of your mouth. Not only that, but your muscles can get tired by the next morning. If you're grinding your teeth in your sleep 4 or 5 hours during sleep, you will have a lot of tension in your muscles the next morning. How can this be corrected? Well, we found a simple solution to bruxism, and it involves making a simple, customized night guard. A plastic horseshoe mouthpiece that is similar to what the kids wear during sporting events. It protects their teeth from impact. It'll protect your teeth from grinding and clenching during the night. So, at our office, we can help you with this bruxism problem so that you wake up fresh and relaxed in the morning.